SOUN Stock tomorrow. Is it a bar or not? Let's see where is SoundHound AI going next. SoundHound AI is actually from like for me, I'm very bullish on it under one circumstance. And I'm telling you this because that's the truth, right? I'm using my strategy framework and system that I've documented for the last 2023 year that has given me thousands of wins. When I say that, like that's the truth. The truth is that I've documented all of them, right? All I'm saying like that I've done, everything is uploaded on the YouTube channel so you can check it out yourself. But even with this one, that's my truth that I'm bullish, right? Everyone has their own opinions, but the only way that I'm approaching this is if the price approaches my gray area and gives me the rules. More likely than not, we're going to go like this. But the way that I'm approaching this and pulling the trigger is if it comes lower a little bit. So why? Because it's going to be a better RR opportunity, and also this is like what I've tested for the last 19,000 videos over the last 4 years, quite literally. So not financial advice. Refining over and over again, betting my strategies. Like this is at the stage after 4 years. I'm sure it's going to get better. So I'm just documenting the journey and check out the first link in the description if you want to learn my strategy.